Children of the Emperor rejoice! It's time for the Children of the Emperor!
Welcome back to the Kieran Show. This time, it's the Emperor's Children Army Cost video.
We're back.
The one we've all been waiting for.
Yes.
5 of you have been waiting for.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. I missed 4. Doesn't matter. But yeah, Emperor's Children are back in a big way.
Yes. So
there's a lot of things to talk about.
Yeah, we've painted them. How long ago was that now? A couple of weeks back. Lots of fun, and obviously I am doing an army, so this is kind of like my shopping basket.
It really is like a shopping basket. For sure.
Yes, off the back of that codex, it was quite hard to make a 2,000 point list. I'll right off the bat.
The range is kind of limited. Their play style is kind of one trick pony, but
everything's expensive. I found.
Well, that's good. That's a good problem to have. It means you don't need a million models. I imagine you're probably taking a lot of the same.
Hold on to that.
Oh no! Should we jump straight in?
It's not the most diverse range, as everyone has already been talking about. There's a lot of stuff missing, as it were. So I made use of the small range that I have.
Yes.
And to be fair, it's a great range. So
let's dive.
As we always say, these are GWRRP. You can absolutely save money at your friendly local gaming store. And it's accurate of the latest MUNITORUM Fulgrim, which I think is like 2.3 or 2.4. I don't know. Every time I go on it, the number changes.
Yeah.
I don't know what changes.
I don't know what you want. It's April 2025. If you're watching this in 2026 and you're like, the points are different. Obviously they're different. It's been a year. There it is.
Well, given the way the points work, it's probably different in 2 weeks. But
no, that's very true.
Right. Starting strong. Combat Patrol.
Hell yeah, baby.
This is a good little Combat Patrol box.
It follows a similar pattern to the Blood Angels, doesn't it? It's like character, 2 things of elites, and your base troops.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, £100.
£100.
£100. Gets you a Lord Exultant for 80 points.
Nice.
With his little ability where he gets more attacks once per battle. Stupid.
Yeah, he's a very good little model. Very good.
Yes. There is then 2 units of Flawless Blades.
Absolutely flawless.
So, 220 points or 110 each.
110 each?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Is that expensive? Don't know. We'll get on to that.
Yeah. Again, it's very, like we said a minute ago, it's very similar to the Blood Angels box. 2 of the thicker unit in the Combat Patrol, which is nice to see. And then there's a unit of Infractors or Tormentors.
Is that 10 of, right?
10, yeah.
Nice.
So I've put these as Infractors.
Okay.
Because when editing me has to go and get pictures of the Combat Patrol. They've built them as Infractors. But spoilers, there is some Tormentors later on.
Lovely.
10 Infractors, 160 points.
So for 10, it's great.
So, fast math, that is 360 points.
For £100, that's rubbish. Combat Patrol boxes. You remember when they used to be good?
Off the back of that, fast math points cost. I've changed my mind on this Combat Patrol box. It's not great.
Kind of rubbish. I don't know.
Only in points value. In terms of raw model count, it's brilliant.
Yeah, if you want minis to paint for £100, you fine. And as we say with all of these videos, go buy them from a friendly local gaming store or a discounted hobby retailer for like 20% off. Check that link down below. And then suddenly it's a bit more worth it. Yeah, hashtag shilling. Next up, you've got to get into the characters. You have to.
So it's Big Snack Man.
Oh, of course.
Or Fulgrim is.
Jafar, if he's on that. If you can't do it, great.
Anyway. So Fulgrim is 385 points. Currently.
Should be higher, but it's pretty good anyway. Lovely.
It's £102.50.
Oh, nice. Similar value to the Combat Patrol box. Okay.
Yeah. This isn't about rules, but his rules are pretty fun. In our opinion, I know there's some doomsayers on the internet like, Fulgrim's rubbish! I'm like...
He's not.
He's not.
He really isn't. Nice, cool.
Yeah, you can't have it. You couldn't have this list without him.
Yeah, I think for 385 points to not include Fulgrim, it would be crazy, unless you are just dumping everything else that you can take multiples of.
This isn't like to a line to a detachment. This is like a collection.
Yeah. A fun, let's make an Emperor's Children army as a start.
Yes, so you could run any detachment with this. This isn't leading to any synergies, but there probably is some by accident. Next up, it's Lucius.
Lucius, my lord.
He's out of stock everywhere at the moment. I think there's a very good reason why he's out of stock.
He's a very good character.
So he is 140 points and he's 28 quid.
I mean, great value. Finally, some good food. Excellent.
I painted this. I found it really hard.
I mean, it's a very complicated mini.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah, there is.
And the whip is annoying.
Whip it. Whip it good.
It doesn't whip it good because it's really bloody hard.
Ah, dear. Wow.
Oh, dear. Yeah, rules are whatever they are, but there's a reason he is out of stock everywhere. Yeah, I got to paint this, and I thought my opinion would change on the mini because I'm not sold on it. I painted it and my opinion didn't change.
No, which is a shame because I really like it. I think it looks really cool, and I think it has the makings of quite a macabre looking mini. But
I don't like the face.
But I think because your paint scheme is so like high saturation, it makes it look cartoony. You know what I mean?
It's a cartoon. I think it's a cartoon. The whip irritated me for the 4 days or whatever it took to paint because every time I touched them, it's like that's going to break.
Oh dear.
Because it's 2 contact points. The whip is in 2 bits, but the big bit that comes across the front, it glues into the bit dangling down, and then attaches to this tiny bit on the base.
All right.
So it is going to snap.
Oh dear.
And because it's like one big flowing piece, when that snaps, you'll see it forever.
It's one of those minis that you have to pick up from the body or the base, and that's
Yes.
it. Nice.
Right, next up. There's 3 boxes of these.
Oh, I can guess what they might be.
Noise Marines!
Oh, here we go.
Noisy boys.
How many do you get in a box?
6.
Oh, so the full squad.
I'm full max out here.
Nice. So that's 18 Noise Marines.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
They're pretty strong rules.
Bring the noise.
I know we don't talk about rules, but they are pretty strong rules-wise at the moment. But they are wicked miniatures, and
They're the bread and butter of Emperor's Children.
they're just cool.
It'd be crazy if you didn't take 3 units of 18, and especially considering Emperor's Children don't have much in the way of anti-tank. Take these instead.
Small spoilers for later on. I didn't have enough points to put a Lord Cacophonist in here,
Oh.
which is a shame because.
I'll be honest, I think the Lord Cacophonist model is like the weaker of
But
the
funny
new ones.
thing is, it's still quite good. It's just the other ones we've been blessed with.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I didn't have enough points to put a Lord Cacophonist in, but I know they're strong in there. Yeah, three units of noise means 405 points or £127.50
Damn.
for all of those in your basket.
Nice. Pretty good.
You get 6 of them, so
I mean, it's 18.
it's high model count.
It's 18 models with, what, 6 Sonic Blasters between all 18 of them? Is that right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Blast Masters.
You're ripping up. You're having a great time.
You've got to get in range of things, but that comes up in a minute. Next up is a box of Tormentors.
Oh, yeah.
So running them as a 10-man unit is 170 points, or you could run them as 2 5-mans. I would probably run them as 2 5-mans.
These are
Same for the Infractors.
These are the ones with Infiltrate. Is that right?
Yes.
Nice.
And then Infractors have Scout.
Sweet.
Yeah, Tormentors, I would run these as 2 units of 5, and the same with the Infractors, 2 units of 5 there. There is a points difference on the Infractor side. They are cheaper as a unit of 10, but from my fast math, the Tormentors are the same, 5 or 10.
Fair enough.
Yeah, they are £44, which sounded like a lot.
Woof. Yeah. What? Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah, I thought this was a lot for a troop unit.
It's heavy. It's really heavy. Like 44 quid for 10 units, for 10 models that are what, 170 points?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not great. Not great.
No, they did feel a little expensive. I mean, what you outlay for cost, you more than get back in terms of bits.
Yeah, that's true. If you can pick up some other, I suppose, other units on
Just
cheap.
to add some flavour through this very heavy body list, you know, you've got some stuff to play with.
But I suppose these are going to be your sort of action monkeys anyway, surrounding your main bulk, which is your characters, and then obviously your noise marines as well.
Yeah, these are annoying and they're quite strong.
Okay.
But yeah, they're great. They're great minis. If you can still find it, the Champions of Slaanesh box is a really good way to get 20 of these.
Yeah.
With the Noise Marines.
It's unbelievable value for what you're getting, I think.
Well, when they're 44 quid.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, getting, what was it, 20 of those, 6 Noise Marines, and then a Lord Exaltant as well.
12 Noise Marines.
If you can get a Champions of Slaanesh box still, just do that. My goodness, do that.
I mean, it was pretty popular, so, you know,
If
slim
you
pickings.
can't, sorry.
So, next up, you need some buses to put all these things in.
Excellent.
Because Noise Marines, their issue is range.
Call the Venga Boys.
So, you've got 2 options here.
Uh-huh.
They both add up to the same amount of points,
Okay.
but not the same cost.
I can't wait for this.
So it's either 3 Rhinos
Right.
or 1 Land Raider.
Okay. So one fixes your... Yeah, one would carry 2 units of Noise Marines and fix an anti-tank slot with the las cannons on it.
Yeah.
But then 3 Rhinos.
And the Rhino rules are good.
Yeah.
Again, we don't talk about rules, but the Rhino rules are really good.
It feels like 3 Rhinos, doesn't it? Because even after you've dropped...
Either way,
off,
they're both 240 points. 3 Rhinos is £105 though.
it's kind of cool, though. Seeing 3 tanks is pretty cool.
I have used the normal CSM kit. If you want a kit that builds better, buy the Deimos pattern.
And I suppose if you didn't want Lucius with your 6 flawless blades...
You're never taking him with flawless blades.
So you could
He's
just
so
have,
good on his own.
So you could just have a unit of flawless blades and a unit of Noise Marines in a Land Raider together, couldn't you?
Yeah, but then you've still got the problem with Noise Marines, like I said, is their range. So if you split them across 3 Rhinos, that feels like the better play.
Sure, but you could just chuck the Noise Marines out, carry on driving, and then chuck the flawless blades up.
Yeah, you could do that.
There's ways around it.
But
It sounds good though. So,
yeah,
I mean,
3 Rhinos felt like the better option because you've got more room, you've got more versatility.
Sure.
You're tripling up on one kit though, so it's not got a lot of variety, but we don't have a lot of variety in this army in general.
Yeah.
Last up is might be the most stupidly rules modelled version of this thing ever. It's the Demon Prince with wings.
Oh, well, that's
So
a great mini.
we absolutely got this wrong when we did our Codex review. You were like, "No, it's rubbish," and I just went along.
Oh, no. I think I didn't say it was rubbish.
You said the one on foot was better.
I thought, in my opinion, the support character was better than the offensive one.
Spoilers, it's not.
I think since seeing a few games, I might have been wrong.
Dealing mortal wounds out for the amount of wounds you have remaining is disgusting.
It's to a max of 6, though, isn't
Yes.
it? Yeah, that's dirty.
So you can just kill characters by charging into them.
Yes.
I know in one of the TT battle reports, one of them just charged into Gilliman and killed him with mortal wounds.
Yeah, it's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting.
Yeah.
And to think that people are running multiples of Demon Princes.
There are people out there running 3 of these.
Just stop. Please stop.
Anybody that's running 3 Demon Prince with wings is not your friend.
No, it's a hate crime.
So a Demon Prince with wings is 180 points or £52.50.
I mean, it's
if you can find it in stock.
It's good value for sure. I think for a Demon Prince, it's a great little kit, and if you can magnetize the back, and choose whichever one you want to take, great.
Yeah, that's the last unit in this list.
Hell yeah, baby! And then data cards and
so
codex?
Yeah, after that it's a Codex, which is £37.
Well, you haven't done one of these in a while, have you? Army cost videos?
No.
Oh, so you saw that £37 and went, what?
The last, well, I don't. It's not so much the cost; it's the lack of things in it.
Oh yeah, it's like a nice little picture book though for £37.
Yeah,
Do you like
and
art books?
the data cards are £20.50.
Yeah, which are almost redundant halfway through the game anyway.
Yeah, you just use the app.
Yeah, I just use the app. It's easier.
I haven't included the really cool dice. I really like the pink dice, Kieran.
Oh my!
I haven't bought any, but I really like them.
I thought you would have. I sent you a link the other day, and I was like, "These guys have them," and I was really surprised you showed restraint.
Trying to make better financial decisions.
You're a new man. You're a new person. Now you know what? I'm proud of you.
As soon as I see them in a Warhammer shop, I'll be like, mine.
How many points is your Emperor's Children army?
So, I'll run back through it again.
Excellent.
Because otherwise this video is not long enough.
Yeah.
Because there's not a lot here.
Do you like ads? Run it up.
Right. So you've got a combat patrol box, and in that you get a Lord Exultant, 2 units of Flawless Blades, 10 Infractors. You've then got Old Snack Boy and Fulgrim.
Yep.
You've then got Lucius. Mm-hmm. You've then got 3 boxes of Noise Marines.
Great time.
405 points for them.
That's what your value is.
Yeah. Tormentors, 170 points. 3 Chaos Rhinos, 240 points. And then a Demon Prince with Wings at 180 points. That comes to 1,980 points.
Great time. And there's just a little bit of smidge there for an enhancement.
Maybe.
Great time.
Or take something else.
For 20 points?
Yeah, I don't know.
Can you take anything with 20 points?
No, but you could probably cut. There's probably some better maths person that could cut something and go, oh, I'm going to bang on 2,000.
I don't know. Yeah, if you can think of a better list, have it in the comments.
There's probably a really cool enhancement you can give someone.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure.
Looking at you, Lord Exultant.
How much does it cost?
So, it's a bit of a spenny one.
Okay.
£617.
Okay, we're in the 600 realm. It is kind of spenny, but I think for...
Not a lot of boxes.
Yeah, we've had worse, I guess.
Maybe.
Yeah,
1,007 Disney Florida bucks.
1,007.
1,007.
1007.
Yes.
All right.
Not quite sure where the 7 has come from,
Yeah, right.
but there's math. I think it's because the combat patrol is $168 and then the data cards are $35.
Yeah, fair enough. Nice. And
there's a bunch of other 5s. And there's a 4, weirdly. The Demon Prince with wings is $84.
Oh, it's wings of $4. I was like, what? No wonder everyone's sold out.
Euro Disney, Euros 796 and no cents.
Okay.
You have to be no cents to buy an Emperor's Children army, it would seem.
And then Australian dollar dues.
Dollar dues, 1,650.
God damn.
Didn't quite cross 2,000. That's still the goal.
I thought you did that with Krieg.
We might have crossed it with Krieg. I can't remember. It's been a busy period.
It has been a busy period.
What do you make of this
List?
Yeah, it's not a list. As this collection.
Well, it's still a list at the same time, isn't it? To be honest, I think it's really fun. You've got your 3 mainstays in a Demon Prince, Fulgrim, and then you've got Lucius as well. You've got 3 party buses with 3 lots of maxed out Noise Marines, so you're having a great time there. There's no Lord Cacophonous, but whatever. You can put a Lord Exultant in Noise Marines, can't you?
No.
He's just limited to the base troops.
Yes.
Oh, fine, whatever. So you've got 20 troops to play around with in either multiples of 5 or 10. Fine, great time. And then Flawless Blades because fun coneheads, I guess.
Yeah, they're a weird little thick elite unit. I mean,
yeah, fine. Yeah, to be honest,
I'll tell you what.
I think it's fine.
If you buy all this, you'll have bits for days.
I tell you what. When I was quite concerned, I think, when Emperor's Children first came out, because I was like, this seems really, really, really strong. But then seeing what an army of 2,000 points is made up of,
you're like, I can cut through that.
Well, there's not loads of it, really. Like, don't get me wrong, it's quite expensive for what you're getting. I think there's obviously ways you can get around it. Obviously, paying 300 and something points for 100 quid isn't great.
So, are you retracting the statement that you got immortalised on the internet that Emperor's Children are broken?
No, I'm not taking it back. You can absolutely make them busted, but not with that list. I think a busted list does not include Fulgrim.
A busted list doesn't include Fulgrim. It includes Lucius, though, but it includes 3 Lord Cacophonous and 3 Noise Marines. Yeah, because it gives them all sustained.
Yeah, exactly right. I think you're probably including maybe a Land Raider or 2 as well, but lots of
it's all just
cheap
basic chaff.
Yeah,
and 3 Demon Prince with wings, apparently.
This is it. You can make them busted, but like most Warhammer armies, it involves taking 3 of the same stuff, and it's super boring.
I've got 3 units of Noise Marines.
Yeah, sorry, I don't mean them. They're like the mainstay of the army. Like they make sense. I just mean like
3 Fulgrims.
Yeah, so dumb. Do you like snakes? Yeah, I don't know. I think Emperor's Children are a really interesting army, and since they haven't got as much as all of the other legions have, like with their flavors of chaos, I think you can still make a really well-rounded list, and at the very least, you'll have fun with whatever you make. So.
And you get to paint pink, and painting pink is wicked.
And they're the flavour of the month still, so that's good.
Maybe not when green comes into town, but that's another video.
True enough.
But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this Emperor's Children list.
Yes.
Do you like it? Do you hate it?
Let us know. And if you'd like to buy some Emperor's Children of your own, go. Kieran is waving his arms around like a lunatic, and he can't do that.
Use the affiliate links.
Just going to make him wave his
arms
around.
Not that you can buy Lucius because he's out of stock.
Yeah, don't buy Lucius because you can't buy him. But you should buy lots of Rhinos and Noise Marines because that's what cool people do apparently. And then once again, a huge list of Kierans that we should say thank you to. Thank you so much to Kieran.
They're the Kieran's children.
I'm not sure about that. We're your big hobby daddies.
Hated every word of that.
But yeah, thank you so much. Peace and love. Slanesh's blessings.
What's next on this army cost list?
I think it's Death Guard and World Eaters.
Oh boy.
Smelly and strong.
I've got Death Guard and you've got World Eaters.
Strong and smelly. Nice. No?
Whatever. I've got Death Guard, you've got World Eaters, but Indeed. We'll see you for those ones very shortly.
Peace and love, bye.